Think about a very smart robot, capable of learning from its experiences and making decisions based on what it learns. This, my friends, is a simplified explanation of what we call artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Now, imagine you're playing a game of hide and seek. You're the seeker, and you've noticed that your friends often hide behind the big oak tree, so you start looking there first every time. This is a bit like how AI works. It learns from past experiences to make predictions. However, just like you might miss someone hiding in a new spot because you are so focused on the oak tree, AI can also make mistakes. This is known as AI bias. If we only teach our AI using certain types of information, it might not perform as well when faced with something new or different. Let's talk about privacy. Think about your secret hideout, the one you only share with your closest friends. Just like you wouldn't want everyone to know about your secret hideout, it's important to keep certain information private when using AI. If we feed AI with too much personal information, it could end up in the wrong hands, and that's a scenario we want to avoid. AI, just like any powerful tool, needs to be used with caution. It's like using a power drill. It can be beneficial when used properly, but if not handled with care, it could lead to accidents. AI might change the way we work in the future. Some jobs might be done by AI, but new jobs will also be created, jobs that involve working with AI. It's an exciting change, but one that we need to prepare for. Just like how there are rules in school and in sports to ensure fairness and safety, there also need to be rules for using AI. These rules, or ethics, will guide how we use AI and help prevent misuse. Now, imagine if AI is given incorrect information to learn from. That's like trying to find your friends in a game of hide and seek, but they gave you wrong clues. The result? You'll probably be running around in circles. This is why we need to be careful about the data we use to train AI. AI, while powerful and exciting, is a tool that must be used with care and ethically. It's like a new friend who can help us do amazing things, but we need to guide it with our human values. As we continue to explore and understand AI, we have the potential to make our world a better place. It's a thrilling journey, and we're just getting started.